The recipe we're going to prepare today is a roasted red pepper hummus recipe. For this recipe, we're going to need the following ingredients. First, we are going to prepare the roasted red peppers. Start by cleaning the red peppers and by cutting them into halves. Then we are going to take a baking pan and put the red peppers in it, salt them, and we are going to add a little bit of olive oil, and they are ready to go into the oven and bake for 20-25 minutes in 210 degrees. This is how they are going to look after baking. Then add 1 cup of chickpeas to the blender, 3 tablespoons of tahini, 1 cup of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, a little bit of salt, and the roasted red peppers. We're gonna add also a little bit of olive oil, and we are gonna blend all the ingredients until creamy and smooth. Pour the hummus into a container and feel free to decorate it with some parsley leaf and some chili flakes, and enjoy it.